In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel to Xero and pull financial reports into your spreadsheet. To get started, open Microsoft Excel on your computer and create a new blank workbook, or open an existing file if you already have a reporting template ready to use. Starting with a clean worksheet can make it easier to see how the connection works, especially if this is your first time setting it up. Once Excel is open, go to the Insert tab in the top ribbon. From there, select Get Add-ins. This opens the Office Add-ins Marketplace, where you can search for tools that extend what Excel can do. In the search bar, type Xero Analytics, or look for a compatible third-party connector designed to work with Xero data. The exact name may vary depending on what is available in your version of Excel or in your region, so focus on choosing a connector that clearly supports Xero integration and financial reporting. After you find the add-in you want to use, add it to Excel and wait for it to load. When the connector opens, look for the option to connect your account. Click Connect to begin linking Excel with your Xero user profile. At this point, a sign-in window will usually appear so you can authenticate securely. Follow the prompts to complete the login process and grant the permissions the add-in needs. This authorization step is what allows Excel to access your Xero data safely and pull it into your workbook. Once you're connected, you can start importing information from Xero into Excel. Choose the financial reports you want to pull in, such as summary reports or other available accounting data, depending on what the connector supports. After you make your selections, the add-in will populate the data directly into your worksheet. This saves time compared to manually copying and pasting reports and also helps reduce errors. When the data appears, take a moment to review the worksheet layout so you understand where each report has been placed. If needed, you can adjust column widths, rename sheet tabs, or organize the workbook so it's easier to read and update later. And that's it. You've opened Excel, installed a Xero-compatible add-in, connected your account, and pulled financial reports directly into your spreadsheet. Once everything is working, this setup can make recurring reporting much faster and more consistent.